So tell mommy what you see. Show her the sand. Look at the sand's in the water. And now you're gonna take the sand out.
Look.
So you push it down. It looks wet to me. Now take it out. I bet you it's still wet. Take it out with the spoon. And then show mommy. Okay, there it is, the wet sand. Oh my gosh. Now what do you observe? What's your observation?
Dude, just one look. Oh my gosh, look at these. There's circles. There's bubbles.
There's bubbles. And the sand is what?
The sand is blue.
And wet or dry?
Dry.
It's magic, isn't it?
Right.
This is a scientific experiment. And our observation is the sand is magical. It's a scientific fact. The sand
What's
has
Nansen doing
magic.
now? What's Nansen trying to do now?
Let's see. Now he's just kind of playing with the sand. Let's see here. Carefully pour a layer of sand onto the surface of the water. Huh.
Another layer?
Let's try that. Let's put a little bit on the surface of the water.
There.
And it's going to float.
How? Dad.
Yep. Wow. What do you think of that?
Cool.
Cool. And so what do we see the sand doing? The sand's doing what on the surface of the water?
Floating
Floating where?
in the water.
Not in the water. On the what?
On the water.
On the 水面叫什么?
On the water surface.
Okay. And the sand is floating
On the surface.
on the surface. So let's just recap here what we've learned from this experiment. Initially, we made 3 observations. 1, the color is what?
The color is
Blue.
blue.
And it's still blue, yeah? 2, it's very light, yeah?
Can you say the sand?
And fun.
Can you say the sand is cool?
I could too. We could make that an observation, sure.
Okay.
And it has many little what?
Grains.
Grains, And after we took the sand out with the spoon, the sand, and you'll see we recorded
Was
everything
still
right here,
dry.
our scientific observations. We discovered 1, the sand was still dry.
The sand is like so magic.
We discovered also, number 2, and it's here,
love
the
that
sand is
sand.
magical. The sand is magical. And finally, 3, we discovered something even more important. It is floating on the what?
Surface.
That's right. Surface. How do you say surface in Chinese?
水面.
There you are.
Why 为什么有些沙子在水底下，有些沙子在水面上呢？
不知道，因为被推下去的。
哦，你可以把那个表面上的沙子推下去吗，奶奶？你可以把沙子推下去吗？
可以。
可以吗？沙子就会
推下去。
潜到水底了吗？沉到水底了。
有。
那现在已经没有浮沙了吗？
还是有些
水面上还有浮沙吗？
还有一些浮沙的。还有一些浮沙。
那都被你推下去了吗？都沉下去了，水沉下去了啊。然后你可以摸一摸什么感觉？我可以摸一摸吗
Okay. Mom.
对不起
And like every good
，scientist。
science experiment, there should be jazz in the background. Good jazz. And Langston, would you agree this is good jazz we're listening to? Would you agree? Yes, you would? Would you agree? You don't care, do you? No.
可以阿宝，得了嘛。
Bang.